Howdy folks, Jeff here, and I just want to show you what's going on in the shop today. This is a 2016 Ford Fusion, and to get to the cabin air filter requires a little bit of work. First you have to pull this outer trim off, and then this is the air conditioner vent here, and you have to pry this off. You see it has some clips there. Then there's 2 screws up here and 2 screws on the bottom that you have to take loose to get this glove box out, and there's actually 1 wire that goes right here that you have to unhook. I'm showing you this because you have to be real careful. This underneath here is the airbag, and so when you're taking the screws loose, don't mess with those screws there. Then there's 2 more screws that are into this cabin air filter housing, and you have to push the tabs out. And so you get this out, it pulls it out, and we've already got the new one that we've pushed up in there. And so now we're just going to put it all back together. You got to watch the wires that are right up here on the top. That'll clip into place, and then we'll put the screws back in. Then we'll put the screws back in, and then we'll put the glove box back in, put the trim back on. I just wanted you to see what all's involved in this particular one. Maybe it'll help you out. As always, I appreciate you watching.